In this video, I'll show you how to edit the HTML files in your D2L course. So on the content page, I'm in Manage Content, and then I'm going to click on the name of the file that I want to edit. And then you can click Edit Topic at the top. You'll need to scroll down to view your content, and then click on this box to make it full screen. Now we have a good area to work with. Now it works similarly to Word as a word processor, so you can just type like you normally would. If you need to copy and paste information in, you can go to your Word document and then copy it like you normally would. And then in D2L, you'd put your cursor where you want it to go, and then hit Control V or Command V on a Mac to paste it. Unless you're using Internet Explorer, then you can right-click and paste. When you're editing text, you want to use these functions over here rather than the font family and font size. And if you're interested why, it's because we have styles already associated with this page. So if you make changes here, it will confuse the styles we've already determined. So let's say we want to make this part a heading. Students will be able to. So I'll highlight it, and then over here you can say it says paragraph, but we will change it to a heading 2. And then in this one, heading 3 looks like this, and heading 1 is like how outcomes this was formatted. And then the rest of the text is just paragraph. I also wanted to make sure you knew that there was an undo button right here, and then there's also bold, italics, underline, and color change up here as well. So to link a document like Word, PDF, or PowerPoint, you would first highlight the text that you want to link. So this is what the students will click on to download the file. So in this case, it will be the word syllabus. I'm going to do Control C to copy, and then click on Quick Link. And this would be a course file. Now sometimes these windows will open very small, so I'll just drag this down to be able to view more area here. The tricky thing with course files, this would be Word, PDF, PowerPoint, is that they need to already be in D2L in order for you to link to them. I always forget to do this first, so thankfully D2L has a little area right here. You can click on these words, Manage Files, to open your Manage Files and put it in there. So this just opened another tab for me. We were right over here. So here's my Manage Files area. You can see it's nicely organized with folders for each module, which I recommend. So I'm going to go into Introductory Materials and upload the syllabus. So this is like attaching to an email. And you can do multiple files if you want while you're here. And there it is. So I can just get rid of this tab now. Or if you're not confident, you can just click over it to the other one. So now I'll do Add a File. This term is kind of misleading. It should really say Choose a File. And make sure you click this button in front of it rather than clicking on it. Clicking on it will actually open it. And then select. Link caption. I'm going to Control V to paste in what I had copied before. If you forget to copy it, you can always move this guy around and see what the text was back here. And then it is the best practice to choose New Window for everything that you're linking to here. Then click Insert. Course file is the most difficult option. Then the next thing I'll show you how to do is to link a discussion. So I'll highlight these words, Control C, Quick Link, and this time I'll choose Discussion. Note that you can also link to a Dropbox or a quiz in here as well. You may use these options. It's good to link directly to the topic. If you're using groups, you'll need to link to the forum. Something tricky that happens sometimes is that it doesn't show you all the things that you need at the bottom. So you can scroll down here to find the link caption. And then I'm still going to do new window here. And make sure you save frequently. I should have actually saved more frequently during that process than I did. And now we'll link to a YouTube video. This is the same process for anything online. So I will highlight the word that I want to link, do Control C, and then choose Quick Link, URL. I'll paste in my link caption. Let's make this bigger so we can see everything. And then I have to get the URL of the video. And you have to get rid of this HTTP stuff that's in here automatically, or it will make your link not work. So Control V to paste, and always choose New Window. And there it is. And then you can click Close to get out of here. And here's what we did.